Good morning, everybody. Mark Finan here in the home weather office on this 28th day of February. Off to a stormy start. Rain moving through the valley, winds gusting up to around 30 miles an hour in some spots, and more snow heading into the Sierra. In the last 24 hours, ski resorts are reporting more than 2 feet of snow, so that means in the last 24 hours, we were seeing the snow come down at about an inch an hour. Today, that snow rate could increase to 2 to 3 inches an hour up on the summits. Down at the lower elevations, we'll continue to see snow down between 2,000 and 2,500 feet. There'll be some pockets of lower snow. However, during the day today, we'll likely see that snow level fluctuate up maybe about 500 feet. So if you're in one of those lower elevations below 2,000 feet and you do get some snow, I do think it may change over to rain later on today, or you're just going to get slushy accumulations. But above, let's say 2,200 or 2,500 feet, it is going to snow throughout much of the day. And above 3,000 and 4,000 feet, we're going to see significant accumulations. Let's get to what's going on. As I record this is the radar, and as you can see, we have rain just starting to blossom over the foothills, as well as, of course, turning into snow at the elevations I mentioned, with another band out in here. This is going to bring the valley about a third to a half an inch of rain, and then the further rain totals will depend on just how much we get in terms of thunderstorms this afternoon. Let's get into that with the models, and this is the HRRR model taking us through the morning and showing you how that first band of rain moves through. This is noontime. Here's that first band of rain. Here's another line that could contain some heavy downpours, or maybe some of the thunderstorm activity we're expecting in the afternoon. This here is at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Again, these little lines right here that the model is depicting could have some embedded thunderstorms, maybe some lightning and small hail once again. But as these come in, the snow level is actually going to be rising by about, maybe, like I said, about 500 feet. So if you're getting snow at 1,800, by the afternoon, that snow level might be at 23, something like that. This is 4 o'clock in the afternoon. That would be a line of thunderstorms going right through Sacramento County and Roseville area and down towards Solano County. But notice the snow just keeps going in the Sierra. Let's get into tonight. This little band enhances, and the models have been pretty good with that. And I'm not quite sure if that's going to be more in the way of thunderstorms, or that's just going to be another area of steady rain. But that would be for the evening commute. And once again, that's just moisture being fed into the Sierra, bringing heavy snow to El Dorado, Placer, Amador, and Calaveras counties. Then as we get into tonight, this is around 9 o'clock tonight. And now we're up to around midnight or so, and everything's sinking to the south. By the time we get to Wednesday morning, all of this will be moving out. So let's take a look at what sort of snow accumulations we're expecting during the day today. This is just as it builds up. So by 4 o'clock this afternoon, this is additional accumulations. By 4 o'clock this afternoon, as I scroll over this, you can see that we're getting a lot of 18s and 20s. So that's just between now and 4 o'clock, we pick up 1.5 feet of snow, and then it continues into the night. So that by the time we get to late tonight, let's say around midnight, we're up to 2 to 3 feet of snow as I scroll over that. Now, this is for the elevations above 6,000 feet. But the point I want to make here is that we are going to see snowfall at 2 inches an hour or greater, meaning Interstate 80 is going to stay closed. We'll likely see another closure on 50, 88 is closed, 70 is closed, 20 is closed. There won't be any way to get through the Sierra during the course of the day today. So this is going to be obviously some significant snow. Let's go ahead and take a look at beyond this. I'll use the GFS for this. And what I'm going to show you here is I'm going backwards in time. This is Wednesday night, so we're clear during the day Wednesday. Thursday is dry. This is Friday. So you'll find better travel times to travel through the Sierra, probably starting on Wednesday afternoon. We'll have the roads open. We'll have chain controls and that sort of thing. But the thing I wanted to highlight is just kind of giving you an early take on the weekend, because we do expect that we're going to see some rain and snow come in Saturday evening and into Sunday. This is going to be much lighter and a little bit warmer, which means the snow levels might be around 3,000 feet. But we'll once again have chain controls and that sort of thing through the weekend. This is all the way to Monday morning. And while this may not be as great as what we'll see during the day today, it will keep the activity going as we head into early next week. So there is still a lot to keep track of here over the next couple of days, but especially today. Today's going to be the stormiest day we'll see over the next few. We'll see significant snow in the Sierra. Roads will continue to be closed, like Interstate 80 probably won't open until sometime during the day on Wednesday. For the valley, there's the possibility of thunderstorms this afternoon that would have some small hail. We'll keep track of that with radar for you throughout the day. And we will see clearing on Wednesday. And Wednesday, I think by the afternoon, the Sierra roads will start to open, and we'll likely start to see chain controls stay in effect. But I think even by Thursday, we'll start to see the chain controls lifted. So busy day today, a little bit calmer as we go through the rest of the week. The other thing is, I still don't see it warming up anytime soon. We're still going to have to wait a while before we start seeing temperatures back up to around 60, 65, and 65 is average for this time of year. I just don't see that happening anytime soon. I'll have full updates for you, of course, on KCRA starting at 4 o'clock this afternoon, and I'll be on Facebook tonight at 8 p.m. Have a good day.